Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Shahid and today we are going to talk about how to increase your Snapchat score. I will tell you a trick that will help you to get Snapchat score. This is the quickest, easiest and fastest way to do it. So stay tuned to the video and without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all guys, I will tell you and I will show you that how many score that I have on Snapchat. As you can see just beside my name, just under my name there, beside my ID, I have 54 score. So now the question is that how to increase the score. So first of all, at the right corner at the bottom, there are three lines. You can just click on them and here you will find that there are many popular Snapstars, as you can see. So for you need to just subscribe them for some time. You can unsubscribe them later on, like I will search something like that, and if I search, as you can see there are like the popular people where I can subscribe. I will just click on subscribe and you can just click on view more and you can subscribe all these official accounts. And once you did it, you need to just go back and I will just take a snap, and when you take a snap, you can do editing or there is no need, and just click on the send to, and here you can see you should select all these people, the one you just subscribe or the people who are already in your contact list. So you just click on them and you can send this to the whole people at once. So you send that snap to all of the people. So guys, once you're done with sending all the pictures to the different accounts, then just close your application and then open it again, and then you will see that your score has been increased. As you can see here, my score is already been increased. It was 54 in the beginning and now it's become 84. So guys, if you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
I could say that you didn't need, but you wanted me.